Hello guys, my name is Abid. Today we will discuss some new words or keywords of the history because in future we will find like such words in many chapters, so we should remember and understand the exact meaning and definition of these keywords. So we will discuss one by one illustratively. In front of you, you have shown some screen. I have shown you some screen shots in front of you in which you will find different types of the keywords of the history. That's why, because these keywords, or you can say some definition, they are very essential to study the topics of the history. So I will discuss illustratively one by one in front of you. The first one is aristocracy. I have underlined here aristocracy. Simply you should be understand, if you will find any word end of the any word like crazy. The crazy means power. So the full definition of the aristocracy is it is that type of the power you you found in highest social class, consisting of people families hold a title such as lord or duke. So in which you found that these are those in aristocracy type of the government, you will find those type of the people, they have highest highest rank. You can say they are belong to the highest classes, and their families, they rule. It means they are taken this title from their heritage, like lord or duke. Another definition in front of you, that is capitalism. It is a system in which a country's trade and industry are controlled by private owners for profit. So simply you should understand that it is one type of the government in which you found all the trade and industry system is controlled by the private owners or the private peoples. So I want to clear the rough which I have used here. So third definition is autocracy. Simply you say that this type of the government which we know is known as the Tanashahi. Autocracy, it is autocracy, a system of government in which person has total power. It is a government in which you found the whole power is in a one person or one man. You have found like such system of the government in Europe's countries during the last several years ago. And fourth definition is imperialism. Imperialism simply means one type of government in which one country occupied the other country's area and used their own power and influenced and control all the industries, or you can say all the areas of that area. Simply in front of you there is a definition in which I have wrote a system in which one country extend its power and influenced defeating other countries in war of forming colonies, etc. Simply you should understand, when the Britisher or the Western they come in our country, firstly they have come here for a trade, but finally slowly and gradually for a trade, but slowly and gradually they have occupied so much area of our country, and finally we have become the slave of the Britisher, or you can say slave of the foreigners. So the fourth definition is nationalism. So in first video I have illustratively discussed the definition of the nationalism, but here you will also find very strong feelings of support for and pride in your own country. Simply, nationalism will be exist through those people or artists you will find, like such people in history, that they have aware the people that we need the nationalism, how we developed our nation. And it is essential that we will if our nation will develop, if we will develop our nation, our country will be grow. The third definition here is socialism. Socialism simply means socialism simply means the theory that a country's land, transport, industry, etc., should be owned or controlled by the community as a whole. Socialism simply means you will find socialism in Europe countries, nationalism in Europe countries. That's why, because they have done too much work, like such system of the government throughout the world. And all the countries of the world have found like some system of the government ultimately. Now the seventh definition, or the seven key points of the history, is Nazi system. You will, or you will also study in future in European countries. There you will also find Nazi system, a member of the far right nationalist German Works Party. Nazi system are that type of the government in which you will found the workers, or the workers rule. They have uh, um, used their ideology that if the owner of the industries, they used us, but 100% works, 100% percent works we are done by selves, then why we should not rule ultimately. So another eighth definition is fascism system, a right wing system of government with extent nationalist being attitudes, which is very intolerant or right wings. So it is the fascism. It is a right wing government in which all the nationalist extreme, our all the nationalists, these are those people, they believed that we should develop the system of the nationalist, or we can say that we should ideologically prepare the people that we have need to develop our nation. Of you illustrately, if you will find any type of the you will find any type of the misunderstanding, you can comment on this video, and